Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today is a stormy, rainy day here in California, so I figured what better way to spend our morning than to restore and stretch. Today we're going to keep the focus on our upper body. I'm going to start with the neck. We'll work our way down to the shoulders, and we'll finish with some back and ab work. Nothing too strenuous. Today we're focusing on lengthening those muscle fibers. This could be perfect if you have been lifting in the gym, just needing a little bit of recovery, or if you feel like you've just been overall stressed, which I know we're all together in. So without further ado, let's meet on our mat. I'm going to face you guys. I'm going to get a little mirror action going on. So bringing your hips to your heels, hands to the top of your thighs. For now, just go ahead and close your eyes. Focus on taking a deep breath in through the nose, out through your mouth. Let's try for a box breath. 4 count in, 4 count hold, 4 count exhale, 4 count hold. Again, we inhale for 4, hold for 4, exhale for 4, hold for 4. One more at your own pace. Follow your own breath. We're going to start with the neck work. So joining me, go ahead and open your eyes. From here, we're going to tuck our chin into our chest and lift the chin up away from your chest. Try to reach the back of your head to the upper part of your back. And we're just alternating between that forward fold and upper chin reach. You can hold either position as long as you want, but try to find a synergy between the two. So if you're holding at the bottom for a little bit, give attention to the front of your neck. We look down at our phones so much these days. That upper back neck stretch is really what we're needing. And we're going to go ahead and level out in 3, 2. Level out from here. Go ahead and take your left ear to your left shoulder. If you want to intensify that stretch, you can take your left hand to the top of your head, give a gentle pull. Not too crazy, just because we took our first repetition. Go ahead and release, taking your right ear to right shoulder. And we're going to alternate back and forth. Take your right to your shoulder, or left to your left, right ear to right shoulder, side to side. Focus on getting a little deeper every time, keeping your shoulders in the same plane. Last variation, we're going to turn our head as if we're looking to the sides. Everybody bring your head center. We're looking over our left shoulder. That extension all the way to the side of your neck. Pressing your right shoulder as far down as you can. And switch, taking it over to the right. Pressing left shoulder down as deep as you can. Alternating in 3, 2, alternate side to side. Let that head oscillate. Maybe notice which side feels a little tighter. We're about to go into a circle. Start with our left ear to our left shoulder, tucking our chin into our chest in 5, 4, 3, 2, let's do it. Left ear to left shoulder, chin comes through center. All the way around down. We're going to do 5 circles on each side. Able to tuck 2 more. Any crackles, it's good to get them out here. We're just moving and opening up that synovial joint fluid. Let's reverse. Take it around, right ear to right shoulder, chin rolls through center. 4 more. Last 2. And 1 more. Make this your slowest, deepest one. And come up. I hope you guys feel nice and released in your neck. We're going to move on to our shoulders. For this next one, you're more than welcome to stay seated. You can also lift those hips high or come through standing, whatever feels better for you. But we're just going to start by tapping the top of our shoulders and circling our elbows. We inhale to reach arms through parallel. Exhale, circle all the way back. You're opening up the muscles of those chests. Pecs and chest. And reverse, scooping those elbows back and up forward. If you're standing, keep your feet hip width apart, hips braced forward. If you're with me, we're bringing our hips to the ground. Let's go ahead and take that left arm. We're going to bring our right forearm down to the mat. Scoop that arm all the way over to the side for a side body stretch. Continuing to keep our work in our shoulder. From here, we're just circling that arm forward and back. Shoulder joint is a 4-way socket, so trying to reach full range of motion through every crevice, taking your time. Reverse. And for 3, 2, 1, everybody come up through center. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. So taking your left forearm to the mat, reaching that right arm up and over the crown, just extend through your fingertips. Try to keep your head long all the way through the top of the spine. We'll circle that arm. Again, if you have a side where you're getting more crackles, just know that's just crystallized synovial joint fluid, a little bit more stiffness. The more that you move through it, the more warmth that you get in your joints, the more mobile you're going to feel. Reverse. And we're going to come up through center in 3, 2, all the way through center. Taking those arms out to a T, we inhale. Exhale, go ahead and give yourself a big hug. Tucking your chin in. Inhale, take those arms back out to a T. And go ahead and clasp your fingers back behind your back. We're opening up the muscles of our chest and our shoulders. You guys can't see. Lifting our palms away from our waistline to intensify that stretch. And if it feels right for you, feel free to take a hinge forward on the waist, lifting those palms to the ceiling. Forehead down to your mat. Slowly start to drop your arms. Unlock the elbows. Keep hold of your fingers, but right here we're just kind of draping our shoulders forward. Should feel very nice on the upper back. And lower back. Walking your hands to your mat. We're going to go ahead and sit into a miniature child's pose. So sitting your hips back to your feet. Walk your hands forward. From here, I'm going to have you guys bring your pinkies down to the ground. Thumbs go up. And keeping your arms as straight as you can, go ahead and bow your forehead to the mat. We're trying to feel this stretch down the sides of our arms, triceps, and all the way through our lats. Tapping into the triceps, take those fingertips together. Leave some space in between your palms. We'll inhale to go ahead and reach our fingers behind our neck. And so from here, roll the shoulder blades forward as you're pressing those elbows into your mat to get those triceps. I'm crunching my abs just a little bit, just to intensify. Lower those fingertips down to the ground. Bring your hands underneath your shoulders. Come up into a nice little tabletop, knees directly underneath your hips. From here, taking your left hand to your left ear, we'll inhale to lift, open that elbow to the ceiling. Exhale to reach that elbow down to your hand. Inhale to lift. Exhale to reach. It's a squeeze of those shoulder blades and a release, deep stretch on the bottom. Next rep, get ready to hold your elbow high to the ceiling with me in 3, 2, elbow comes high. Extend the fingertips all the way to the ceiling, reaching as far back as you can. And exhale, lace that finger underneath your other arm. Sit those hips back for a thread the needle. Go ahead and come back center. We're going to do the other side, taking your right elbow to your right ear. Inhale to lift the elbow high. Exhale, reach for the inside of your wrist. Again, this might feel uncomfortable in that high position, but the goal is to open and reach as deep as you can. Warming up those muscles so on deck we can release those knots. Meet me with that elbow high in 3, 2, 1. Elbow reaches high, extending in the elbow, fingertips as far back as you can. And 3, 2, exhale, thread the needle. Good job, you guys. Hips sit back. Sit into this for a minute. Meet me back into your tabletop slowly. Hands come back under the shoulders, knees and under the hips. And we're just going to cat-cow for the spinal flexion. Taking your eye gaze forward, hips back, and rounding that spine, tucking your chin in. Spinal extension. Always try to sync your breath with your cat-cow. Actively opening up the shoulder blades in your cat, letting your belly drop in your cow. We are almost done, you guys. We have one more thing. Let's go 2 more. Full raindrops in your cat-cow. 2 deep breaths. And meet me on your knees, rolling up one vertebrae at a time. Head comes up very last. All right, we're going to finish with a little lower back action here. So we're going to take hips forward, squeeze the glutes together, and you're grabbing onto your thumbs. We're going to wrap them around your lower back. Fingers come to the front of your hips. Now from here, squeezing the glutes together, pushing the hips forward, and pressing your thumbs into that lower back region. You want to give yourself a little massage. Feel around for those points of tension, tightness. Super important to breathe. We're going to go into one more press. Try to take that head all the way back. Let your breath go. And roll all the way to the top. Sit your hips back down. Let's sit into a crisscross applesauce to finish out the day. From here, little meditative moment, nothing crazy. Just close your eyes. Remember, our bodies hold on to everything in our day, whether that's a happy day, a stressful day, we're tired, dehydrated. It does what it can for us to operate, but it's always crucial that we loop back and check in with ourselves. Blood flow, circulation, positive message to send to ourselves so that we can continue operating at our best, most optimal self. Real quick, just think of one thing that you're grateful for on this Tuesday. And my message to you is you are killing it. Even just spending a short amount of time on recovery and stretching is going to go a long way in your fitness routine and your day in general. With that, everybody, open up your eyes. Let's get one more deep stretch in there. Reach those arms out up and overhead. Maybe into a prayer, maybe link those fingers and let it all go. Fabulous job today. I will see you guys next week. We're going to pick things up a little bit. Today was just the perfect time to kind of slow things down and just get back to ourselves. Thank you so much. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys soon.